This shape is called a double helix. The steps of the ladder are made of four bases. Adenine, T, guanine, T, and cytosine, T. The structure of the DNA is called a gene. Your body reads the genes and the letters like electrons and builds proteins. The order of the bases in the DNA and sequence of the genes determines the size and shape of the protein itself. The size and shape of the protein